You asked how to buy shares of Gulf Resources, Inc., a natural resources company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GURE. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify the account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GURE to locate Gulf Resources, Inc. Confirm you select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the correct company name. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the right stock. Check details like exchange, ticker, and a brief company description before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add more before confirming. After the trade executes, your new position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform.